All right. Hopefully this works this time. Watch list for Monday. OHRP. Very, very strong move. Now a couple red days on declining volume. This one really might need to come in one more day. But I still want to have it on watch because sometimes these stocks are so strong they'll surprise you and just make another surprise move. So if I have it on watch, hopefully I can see the setup and take advantage of it. ICLD. Nice volume pop on Friday, but closed near its lows. So that just kind of on the back of my radar. I'm gonna dedicate one chart to it, but it's not my favorite. But it's a low floater, so sometimes it moves. ETSY, maybe a red to green or something like that. It's certainly ahead of itself. We had a great trade on this one right around this green line here on Friday. Whenever you have something this strong, and then you can get kind of that midday push down, I'm usually a buyer, and that's where I called it. Was right at that green line on Friday. One of my best gainers on Friday. BGMD. Very nice spike on Wednesday. Couple lower days on volume, on lower volume, sorry. And if you look at it on 15-minute candles, you can see the big spike and then kind of flagging. So I like this one up over in the high 240s. It might just start to break through those recent highs again, maybe start another leg. So that's BGMD. CALA, I really like the strong support that this broke out of, and there's certainly catalysts to the left on the chart for it, for a continued move. So maybe a red to green or something like that on CALA on Monday, AXON. Not a lot of history to go on here. A recent IPO, nice spike, gave back some of its gains in the afternoon, but I still want to watch that for a possible red to green. LC. On 15-minute candles, it's easy. Nope, 60-minute candles, it's easier to see. Very nice spike back here to about 15. 15 area was resistance back here, and now you're coming up, so you kind of have a cup and handle, and you're flagging under 15. So if we get through 15, if everything else lines up, I'll be buying LC through 15 for a day trade, and then TBIO. Let's go to the daily chart here. Had a nice spike. This would have been Tuesday, and really kind of flagging ever since, and a nice late day spike on Friday. Might be portending a move next week. So up in the through 170, up in the or over 175, something like that, depending on the market, depending on this stock too. We might have a trade in TBIO. Might start a second leg there. That's my watch list. We'll be watching for gappers in the morning too, and also throughout the day as a team. Everybody, the members in the room, do a great job of spotting unusual moves, and then we pretty much know how to capitalize on those when we see them. So it should be a really good week. Trading's been fantastic last week. I'll leave it at that, guys, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night.